Welcome to Glorify. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of a wealthy lifestyle where you can travel, pursue your passions, and live life on your own terms? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to create a retirement plan that will set you up for financial freedom. Get ready to take control of your finances and start building the life you deserve. Step number 1. Set your retirement goals. What do you want your retirement to look like? Do you want to travel the world, spend time with family and friends, pursue hobbies and passions? Whatever it is, write it down and make it specific. For example, I want to retire at 60 and travel to 10 new countries within the next 5 years. Having clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the planning process. Step number 2. Assess your current finances. Take a close look at your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Make a list of all your financial assets and liabilities. This will give you a clear picture of where you stand today and what you need to work on to achieve your retirement goals. Step number 3. Choose your retirement accounts. In India, you have options like the National Pension System, NPS, Public Provident Fund, PPF, and Employee Provident Fund, EPF. In the US, you have options like 401k, IRA, and Roth IRA. Research and choose the accounts that best fit your needs and goals. Step number 4. Invest for growth. Your retirement savings need to grow over time to keep pace with inflation and achieve your goals. Consider investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. You can also consider consulting a financial advisor or using a robo-advisor to help you make investment decisions. Step number 5. Review and adjust. Your retirement plan is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. Regularly review your progress, adjust your strategy as needed, and stay on track to achieving your goals. And there you have it, folks. Creating a retirement plan is not rocket science, but it does require some effort and planning. By following these 5 steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom and living the life you deserve. Remember, retirement planning is a journey, not a destination. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and you'll be enjoying your golden years in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you